Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my quick and easy shrimp and grits. First things first, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of butter in the pan, and we are going to use some bell peppers, green, red, and yellow, and onion. And we're going to saute this very nicely until it becomes translucent and it has a good sear to the peppers and onions. So I went ahead and added the shrimp to the pan, and we're allowing that to go ahead and saute really nicely with those peppers and onions, and we're going to just leave it and let it cook. Now I went ahead and put 2 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're just going to allow this to melt for the next step for the grits. While the butter is melting into the pan for the grits, we're going to go ahead and check on our shrimp because we don't want to leave those unattended, okay? Shrimp don't take long to cook. By the way, what I season the shrimp with is black pepper, sea salt, onion and garlic powder, as well as Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning and Slap Your Mama Creole seasoning, and a little bit of paprika, just a tad bit. Now it's grits time. So what my secret is, I add 2 ounces of cream cheese to my grits. As you see, they're a bit thick, but I'm going to keep, stirring in the cream cheese. And I'm gonna add a bit of hot water to it. And this is on a medium-low heat. Keep it at a medium-low heat because you don't want these grits to be bubbling. You still want them to cook. That is the key, okay? Lastly, showing you how the shrimp have came out. They are completely done and ready to go. And then our grits are also done as well. And I went ahead and put some salt and pepper off camera. Everything's ready to go. So let's make us a plate. So here it is, guys, the final product: shrimp and grits with toast to the side and a nice cup of cranberry juice. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll see you in the next one.